Now to the High Court's decision last week to overturn Roe versus Wade. It's raising a lot of questions and confusion about the current law in Arizona. And people across the country are raising the question whether tribal lands could be so-called safe havens or safe harbors for abortion access because those lands are considered to be sovereign.
But as it turns out, it's a lot more complicated than that. Team 12's Erica Stapleton joins us now with the details. Erica?
Hey guys, we first started looking into this after a City of Tucson council member said the city was working on giving land to a nearby tribe for a Planned Parenthood clinic. It turns out he was wrong. Abortion clinics on tribal lands. Could that be a loophole to abortion access in states where overturning Roe v. Wade makes abortions illegal? Tucson City Council member Steve Kozachik seemed to think so in a recent interview with KVOA.
Supreme Court does not have jurisdiction over Indian land.
In an interview released Friday, he said the city of Tucson was ceding land to the nearby Pasquayaqui tribe, with a plan for the tribe to invite Planned Parenthood onto the site. Then on Sunday, he retracted his comments, saying they were not grounded in solid legal counsel and not based on conversations with the city or representatives of the tribe.
I think people are just looking for answers or solutions.
Stacy Leeds is a professor of law and leadership at ASU Law. She and some of her colleagues across the country have been fielding questions about clinics on tribal land daily since the Supreme Court's draft decision was leaked earlier this year.
Have you ever seen this happen before?
No, not at all. And I haven't heard any tribes talking about this in the last month.
Her take: it's possible this could happen, but highly unlikely. Most tribal health care comes from federal dollars, which largely won't allow for abortions. And she said if a tribe were to do this with its own or private money, it probably wouldn't work for non-Indians, even if a procedure is done on tribal land.
Anytime that you introduce non-members of the tribe, that's going to implicate either state or federal jurisdiction.
The mayor's office in Tucson said the mayor wasn't aware of any plan for this to happen on the Pasquayaqui reservation. And Councilman Kozachik further scaled his statements back, saying non-Indian residents wouldn't be beyond the reach of federal or state law.
All of the conversations seem to be started by people who are non-Indian, trying to see if Native American communities might provide some service to them.
As for Tucson ceding land to the Pasquayaqui tribe, that's actually part of a congressional bill that passed the U.S. House last year. But again, there are no plans right now for a Planned Parenthood to go on that site. We're in the Alert Center. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
All right, Erica, thank you.